Ijele vow to link all the camps of ESN and Biafra Liberation Army. As we dey talk that one, now I still come outside, come reply the tweet where Simon Ekpa made, which is the one where he write who be this. Now Ijele come outside though, come write his own, give Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic Government in exile. No be small thing, no. As we come dey talk that one, join now Ijele vow say he go make sure say he capture every member and those who go attack the DSS. Ijele, no be small thing. My people move go find out how I take talk all those things and waiting they go on for inside where Ijele dey. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We will quickly jump into the matter what we get for our hand today. They say Ijele don't come outside, come talk say he go make sure say he go leak all the whole camp wey belong to ESN and Biafra Liberation Army. That one no do. Now you go ahead again, go talk say make all your followers wey dey for your WhatsApp group, make they send them the information of those people with their phone number. This is now wetin Ijele talk for this video wey we go play you now, make you watch. Stay tuned and watch the video before we come back and continue.
The title of the program, at least it would have given it away, but the truth is, first, there was the operation at Njaba had just a very bad news. You know, the men at the front that try to keep us safe every day, they consider it occupational hazard, but beyond occupation, any casualty is a family somewhere grieving. You understand? There was a crossfire, not as if all these Umutozo, you know, they love taking glory. They don't even know about this news. If I didn't break it, they wouldn't know. So there was a crossfire. You know, a friend of mine told me there was a crossfire, and I think there was a casualty. The other person is cooperating in the hospital. You know, I didn't go much deeper into it, but our thoughts and prayers are with everyone concerned. So it was a crossfire. All right. You say, when did Ijele, please, when did this happen? The one of Ihitenansa happened last night. Umutozo went there to attack the DSS outpost at Ihitenansa. Wait, let me block one Uzu. The DSS outpost at Ihitenansa. And like always, their biggest weapon, na their mouth and their leg. When they hear when it starts, then Teârs. That operation, I'm sure many of them escape with wounds. That's why you've not heard them saying anything about it on social media. If I'm opportune to come across any video, I will share with us. Okay? I will share with us. But they went to Ihitenansa to attack the DSS. Ask them, now that place they hold on a Biafra. Now that place they bury on a Biafra. They won't go there now, and you know, say election day tomorrow, they need to act. Who knows where else they are going to go? Who knows where else? If on a house there near any local government headquarters, then near any local government headquarters, I beg, restrict your movement and always be at alert. Imagine now, it don't reach for our land, so if you live near local government, instead of it being an advantage to you, you go to fear, make you no come do something there, you go affect you. Power. Those people that they disturb their sleep at Ihitenansa, what crime did they commit? Now them the whole name they can have been, and then they hold their Biafra. Guys, please hit the like button and share the video. Like and share the stream. Na them the whole Nnamdi Kanu abi na them the whole Biafra. My brother Omiomio. My brother Omiomio. Please. And I never talk with him almost how many months now. Never talk with Omiomio for how many months. Wait, make I even call her. Make I even call and check whether he hear the news of wetin happen. Ndara. Umutozo. That attacked Ihitenansa. Of course, they must have someone within Ihitenansa working with them. And then they will be hiding in all the neighboring communities. Omuma is safe. Ihitenansa is relatively safe. But what about the other surrounding communities? You say, is this info confirmed? Yes. Yes. It's a confirmed news. A friend of mine in the army told me this morning. He told me this morning, I've not even heard anything from the DSS people. So that's why I'm telling you the news is still sketchy. I just came to break it now. Because they will be looking for a way. You know, the way they stage this, they are now water thing ahead, they go still stage this one. I sure say the person where they did the video still they did that. Somebody said Akata is safe. I don't know. Name Pinko. Agwata Akata, Agwatlan name. Oburi Hejofo. My people, why I want to leave this video now is you will hear it before 4, or now that we are making this video, they will just carry shame, enter house. Because they know say people go mock them. They will use it to stage like that their nonsense na water video. Then go there, and I'm sure the DSS people will know those that came to attack their base. Those of you that participated, thank you for signing your death warrant. Okay? Because it's a matter of time. Is umutans they say, na dia be the many be gongo, he be darala. Umutans na no go area na. Umutans na no go area. Ask anybody. No carry motor go Umutanze. Okay? No carry better motor go Umutanze. I dey tell you. And if you get any of your relatives where they this ESN, where they work with them, if you go, maybe the ones where they jealous you, even somebody asks which Akata is safe, somebody where they jealous you, you go call them. Okay? Fagbola, my brother. No, my tailor they do well, my designer they do well. Guys, hit the like button and share the video, please. Hit the like button and share the video. This Umuoshi, if you go to Umutanze, your enemy will use them against you. This is what they are doing. And now, see where all of us, some people will be saying, oh, Ijele, if we have 10 of you in Alibo, everything would no. You can be that. We all have our different roles to play. If now your cousin dey ESN, send me his number, send me his name, send me his photo. I go send that to people who go carry. Now this thing about make I protect the thief where dey my house. Make them go they catch these other people. You forget say that one where dey your house. Now so all these other people, if they protect their own, you know go get security. It's not bad to give up any of your cousins, your nephews, women. That Umutanze one at the top. Women join them there, just like us. Women. One of their commander, no go mention his name, married the other of their commander sister. You see, as they don't cross carpet, to show you that they didn't even plan on stopping this thing anytime soon. So it is up to us. Somebody said, when will this ever end? It will end when we say it's enough. It would end when we open our mouths and say, this is enough. Thus far and no further. You draw that line in the sand. If you actually love all those your people that are inside there, find them something they will be doing. After all, some of you funded this IPOB ESN. Save money, give them, tell them to leave the southeast. Guys, please hit the like button and share the video. I'm sure Gentle is behind all this. Of course, now him and the fellow guys, no be only am Zuma day, Brutus or day, Sapele day, they do it own. You know, say people they focus on Gentle own, but they know they focus on Sapele. This is where they happen for Umuze. That their commander for Umuze. They tell me say you know go there in good times with Sapele, and they never set them up. Eh? Lie. And you know, say Sapele na Benjamin Modubugu Dengang. The China Samwe, the Tozo go block me for Twitter. Help me tag here. Ozu, he don't go block people here for Twitter. Shebi they say that they fear you. People they run from you. Oh, why you can't they block people in the China Samwe? China Samwe, Kezi Yija block people. Why you go block me for Twitter? Shebi you be Jagaban. Anuman. I beg, may they call Ihitenansa to free these people. Try and with me. One ben not in a problem. May you give. I'm sure your siblings don't they want you now. Of course, you know. You go see me for Mabula. You doping. You go see me for Mabula, unless my information is not correct. That your old school white Range Rover. Now inside down, they go buy you, burn you there, nothing go happen. Try now. Try. Umuzu. They will not talk about all those ones. So Umunze. Because I could the other day. Thank you for tagging the Anum Pamachinas and way. If I came say. You say, is this freedom fighter? Was there ever any freedom fighting? This is a private business. Check the registration. IPOB Worldwide Limited. And saying it does not mean you don't like your people. The actual demonstration of love is showing your people the traps they've gotten themselves into. That's the practical love. But they want to control the narrative and present the victim as the perpetrator and the perpetrator as the victim. Your savior will be sold to you as your demon. Are you seeing it now? That's the power of propaganda. And that is why we will never be quiet. They can't, like, Chinas will be too small. Like, we will be seeing something. We are seeing that the sky is blue. And somehow, we need to arm ourselves to say that the sky is blue. Well, we are going to arm ourselves and say that the sky is blue. You say they Kpai 185. No mind in Doshi. I just put that one there for where they run. They run. Now run, them run. Okay? Now run, they run. Also, can that deny it? I told you the biggest weapons in their arsenal are their legs and their mouths. I just put this one out there because I know they are now using the propaganda. They are now cooking it up. Okay? If I demand one night, I toss a gun that I bear okay. I toss a gun the more the cabell or Kerika. Oh, what are the candy that humility. Now government they leave them. Ndibani buy buses, buy trucks, send to the law enforcement. If we are serious in our Igbo, a group would have come out to champion for the arming of law enforcement in Imo State. Then you have another group in Anambra, you have those in Abia. There is no hope in Abia, I'm telling you. Where they see road by one person, people will run. I sure say they don't buy many of them as in they run. No worry, I go get the full report. Then conditioner. How the people take by? They no buy anybody. Na joke. They joke with them. Okay. Let me block one or two. In name na kem jika. Hey yeah, okay. Now because of your brother, you have to be the alata Nigeria. We can move we and we be okay. Even you only get many. On I know. Mweti your less na memu hide am ball. Ebufu o mi eyi. Ndu ye ben gere ndị ọzọ. Agam na ezokwe na ezo were emu. Ndara. It will be in the history of Amando. Then anybody that will tell the story will tell where it began. And but some game time only machiru ni chi no bochi na aje nwe yo unu game and nwe onye gaju. Onye juo mi oteri ande. Onye juo mi oteri ande. Unu si na asị ka nwa anu ni anu. Ọ bụghị izo with the fake account ị gaa na-etinye ihu gị were godu phone gị mee video si ka ifuo Ndara. Ogbunka, they've gone back to Ogbunka now. Umuchu, they've not talked about Umuchu for once. Remember the man that traveled home for Xmas last year from Zaria and they carry him for that place? Eh? Fagola, my brother, the breast milk, you see they pay me, they pepper me for body. They pepper me. Ebuka, you no get these people where they buy, I beg. They not buy anybody. Now me just want help them since they want cook propaganda, make I help them cook her. Okay? I'm sure they must have buy some of them. Once I get the photo and the video, I go share her. And we must dance on their in GRAVE. You cannot black. I saw some who Philip sent me one video, one okoko, that was saying, oh, like I begged you to come here. Oh, he's against his people. Every time he's telling his people, bingo, bingo, woman, you people. You bingos, okoko, you don't deserve any respect. We are differentiating between Indigo and bingo. Okay? You are a bingo, If he pay you, Jecho eba woro concrete mo isigi there. Cho dry concrete mo isigi there like 15 times. Wow.
Yeah, my wonderful people, you're highly welcome back as you don't watch that thing where Ijele they talk for there. No be smart, you know, as we do for this video, we go bring you matter and we go allow you more to contribute put for this matter. No be smart, you know, Ijele don't talk so many things about Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa. My people, make una contribute put for this matter where this guy they talk for here. No be smart, you know, say here. Would they talk as the person take bring am talk. Share this video. Biafra Liberation Army need to see this video. Everybody need to see this video. Share the video, and don't forget to follow this page for more updates as they hot now they bring and they come.